Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and this is going to be part 2 of sorting lists of lists with finding the top 3 variables. So alright, let's just jump right back into where we were. So alright, we have our 5 races, and we have our shuffled right here. So now we are also going to utilize the pop method on lists. So not only and we're going to do this just like a deck. So let's look at what pop does. So it literally removes it from a list and puts it someplace else. Doesn't matter, and that is an action that Python automatically does for us. So it copies and deletes at the same time. So it's a nice handy tool. So let's just look at it for a second. So alright, remove and return item. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to keep this real simple. So we're going to go through, we're going to do something 25 times. So we're going to do this with 2 for loops. And I'll go over this real slow what we're doing. Alright, so dot pop, and then close this out. So okay, we're gonna do this 5 times, then we're gonna go through our lists 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop this in there and then repeat 5 more times. So we're going to split our shuffled list right here into 5 different races, and we want this just to be randomly picked because we want them dispersed, because we want to test and make sure that when we sort these, when we find the fastest horse, or when I thought about this, what would be the difference of having numbers, so then it would be quantifiable and we could literally visualize it, because I have to see things to test them to see if this is accurate. So lo and behold, when I've done this, it has worked out. So alright, let's look and see what we're really doing. So we go through this one time, do this one time. So then we're going to say go through each of these lists and pop one out of here. And also, let's look right here what pop defaults and does. The reason why I have no arguments in pop, because it says place an index, which is optional, and if it does not have an index, it defaults the last item. So literally what this is doing is it's grabbing the last item out of here and just popping it in the list. So just keeping this real simple, but let's go through what this is doing. So the first time through, this says do this 5 times. So the first time through, go and take a number, pop it out of this list, and place it at the end of tab, which is here's tab. Then the first time through, this is 0. So pop up one out, put it in 0. Then the next time through, put it in 1, put in 2, index 2, 3, 4, so on. Then repeat. Then come back up here, then go through again. Grab another number, put it here, 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 and here. So I can say all that. Let's just run this and look at it. So let's call tab. So here we go. let's run a nice little loop on this for tab, and let's just look at it. Print I. Okay, this is a lot neater. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lists with random associated numbers that we now need to go in and sort. So now let's sort each of these lists. For I in tab I dot sort. I could spell today. Let's run this one more time. I'll tab. For I in tab print I. So now they're in ascending order. So we basically ran the first races, right? So now we have our lists in order. But last video series we learned how to sort these in order by the last item. So let's go ahead and stop here and let this sink in. If you need to rewatch this, rewatch it, because this is, you can get this, but this can be overwhelming for seeing this for the first time. But we're getting real close to get this to print out, and then actually just grab these last couple items, and we'll have to slice this and just check this. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we have videos like this coming out every single day, and I'm doing these exercises so these tasks and these tools really sink in. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave any comments, questions, or video requests below, and we'll get right to them. Thanks, guys.